잠시 후 집으로 찾아온 수사팀을 보며 멍하니 있던 보시.
Harry, you okay? Harry, you all right? You need some air?
What?
Do you want to sit down?
No, I'm fine. I'm sorry. What was your question?
Is she dating anyone?
I don't know.
현재 딸 메디는 누군가에게 납치를 당한 듯 보였죠.
Neighbor saw Maddie come home around 7:30.
See anything, hear anything?
I took a look at his ring camera, but it only covers his front door.
Shit.
What about the other neighbor?
Unit's vacant.
Leighton prints. You need to print this.
You know how many prints are in that area?
I don't give a shit. Just do it.
Breathe. You with me? We're gonna find our partner. We're throwing every resource behind this.
Talk to your captain.
He's agreed to let you sit in,
Thanks, brother.
just to listen in. Archie's gonna steer the ship.
I get it. I just want to know what direction it's headed.
Let's go.
보시는 딸을 찾기 위해 현재 수사 상황을 들어보려 합니다.
The most promising lead is the screen cutter. West Bureau Sex Crimes has been working it.
The victims are mid to late 20s, Asian American, East Hollywood, Thai town. The assailant wears a luchador mask, cuts the screens, enters through the windows.
Any suspects?
The cases are linked by DNA, but no hits in CODIS.
Guys, we need something we can sink our teeth into.
Jesus Christ, we don't have that kind of time. We need to find the intersect. Where they cross paths, we find
Hey,
them.
I let you sit in as a courtesy, out of respect. But you can't be involved in this. You know that. And we want to find her just as much as you do.
I doubt that very fucking much. All right, let me reach out to her friends or confidants. They may know something.
It's not going to happen, Harry. It's against policy. If I let you in, someday some defense attorney is going to come in and blow the case apart.
Fuck policy! I can't do nothing.
Please go home. Wait by the phone in case there's a ransom demand.
결국 일단 물러나기로 하는 보시.
I've been on the other side of this a million times. I know how things slip through the cracks.
You gotta let us do our job.
What if this was one of your sons?
You know I'm gonna work this like she's my blood.
Don't cut me out of this.
I'll do what I can.
I'm counting on you, brother.
보시는 그나마 신뢰하는 경찰인 제리에게 수사를 맡긴 채 다른 각도에서 움직여보기로 합니다.
A little late.
I need you right now. It's an emergency.
What's going on?
My daughter's been abducted.
Oh, shit.
I need you to get into her bank account.
That could take a beat.
I don't care how you do it. I want to know where she used her debit card. Any video I can get. See if she was followed. This guy had eyes on her.
Probably digitally stalked her, too.
Comb through her social media.
Comments on her photos, who tagged them, anyone responding to her posts.
Right. Anything that pops.
I'm on it.
딸을 찾는다는 것 외엔 아무것도 눈에 들어오지 않는 보시.
I'm sorry to wake you, Lieutenant. I'm sure you've heard about what happened to my daughter.
그런데 이때 보시에게 전화 한 통이 걸려옵니다.
Harry?
Speaking.
Ernie Munger from the coroner's office.
Hey, Ernie. What's going on?
Look, I heard what happened in Hollywood.
I thought I'd call you first before notifying RHD.
The Jane Doe just landed.
Blunt force trauma, white female, 20, 25 years old. I'm praying it's
It's not her, but she fits the
description.
억장이 무너지는 소식에 힘없이 움직이는 보시. 불행 중 다행으로 여성은 메디와 닮은 사람일 뿐 메디가 아니었죠. 시종일관 침착하던 보시도 이번엔 무너지고 마는데요. 하지만 다시 딸을 찾기 위해 보시는 이를 악물고 일어섭니다.
Still matching numbers and names.
Any unusual calls?
One incoming, unidentified, provided by Boost Mobile.
Burner. That the son of a bitch called her.
I'll try and track
Down the user, but I can't promise anything.
What about known contacts?
Chandler.
Tried a few times this week.
Keep digging.
다시 한번 마음을 추스린 뒤 보시는 메디와 전화를 했다던 챈들러에게 향해 봅니다.
Harry?
Maddie's been taken. I need your help.
Well, come in, come in. What do you mean she's been taken?
Casey was involved with a serial rapist. Cops are calling him the screen cutter. I think he has her.
Oh, God. When?
Last night. When's the last time you spoke with her?
Not last night, the night before.
On the phone?
Her place. I went to see her.
Did you see anything when you went there? Anything at all?
There was someone in the courtyard when I went in, a man. I saw him when I was at her front door. I just assumed it was another tenant, a neighbor out for a smoke. I didn't really pay any attention to him.
He was smoking?
Yes.
Do you think you could identify him if you saw him again?
Maybe?
직감적으로 그 남자가 범인이라 생각한 보시는 제리에게 황급히 전화를 하는데요.
Harry.
Jerry, I have a witness who saw a guy outside Maddie's apartment building the night before. He was fucking skiing her place.
We did a canvass of the whole complex. Nobody saw anything.
It's Honey Chandler. She was visiting Maddie, saw the guy. You need to set her up with a composite artist as soon as possible.
Wait a minute, Harry. How does she know it was the guy?
She doesn't, but I do.
I'll set it up.
이제 화면은 어디론가 향하는 한 남자를 비춥니다. 그리고 이 남자의 정체는 바로
Oh, you're a plucky little bitch.
잠시 후 수사에 열중인 경찰서에 전화가 걸려오는데요.
Pete. Hey, Kurt. Catch you at a bad time?
About to head into a meeting, actually. What's up?
Oh, I was just wondering if there are any updates on Thai-Town.
As far as I know, same as I told you. They're still working that partial.
Yeah, the fingerprint off the mask.
All they know is the guy was wearing a luchador mask.
So no witnesses, huh?
Not yet. Look, I gotta run.
All right, well, if I see anything or I hear anything, I'll let you know.
알고 보니 범인은 놀랍게도 현직 공무원이었죠.
In the last week, 3 vehicles of interest. They either parked in that area and a male was seen crossing the street, or repeat visitors who stopped and came back.
I gotta check the box on Maddie's canvassing. Stay on that video.
Anything that looks and feels suspicious?
That's the spirit.
한편 제리는 메디의 집 근처를 활보했던 차주인의 집으로 향합니다.
The fuck you doing?
Victims all smell cigarette smoke on their attacker.
Well, that's elite. You gonna go around the city collecting cigarette butts?
If I have to.
이때 자신의 집으로 가고 있던 범인은 제리가 탄 차량이 나가는 걸 발견하는데요. 무언가를 결심한 듯 범인은 몸을 싣기 시작합니다.
Hot off the press.
No matter how much time they take, their eyes and nose never look right.
잠시 후 챈들러의 말을 토대로 몽타주를 완성에 대조해보던 제리.
Mr. Dockweiler?
Yeah?
You have a sec?
Sure.
Watch this place.
드디어 제리의 노력에 성과가 나타납니다.
That's the guy.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's him. That's the man I saw outside Maddie's apartment. Who is he?
His name's Kurt Dockweiler.
The city inspector. He picked his victims from the neighborhoods he worked in.
That's why he wore the mask. They would have recognized him. We can get a search warrant for his house with this, Jed.
Jerry, need a word?
Sure.
Give me the address. I'm not waiting for a fucking warrant.
Harry, we have to do this the right way. Otherwise, he could walk.
You have to. I don't. If she's there, I don't have a minute to waste.
We'll have a warrant in an hour.
That's all I need. Where's he live? Jesus Christ, Jerry. It's Maddie.
He lives in the valley.
Then I'm headed to the valley. Send me the pin.
But don't be in there when the troops land.
Send me the address.
그렇게 제리에게 주소를 알아낸 보시는 곧장 도과일러의 집으로 향하죠. 그 시각 외출 준비를 하고 있던 도과일러. 목숨을 건 숨바꼭질이 시작됩니다.
Maddie! Maddie, are you here? Maddie! Maddie, can you hear me?
그때 수상한 소리에 반응하는 보시.
Maddie? Maddie, are you here?
소리의 정체는 세탁기였고 이 틈에 도과일러는 도망치죠. 보시가 허탈해하는 사이 도과일러는 어째선지 경찰서로 향했는데요.
Can I help you?
I believe you can.
잠시 후 보시에게 걸려온 전화.
Harry, you're not gonna believe this. Doc Wilder just turned himself in.
Where?
Hollywood Station.
You say anything about Maddie?
About to find out.
I'm on my way. Don't let that fucker out of your sight.
그 시각 제리가 도과일러와 마주합니다.
Mr. Doc Wilder. Detective Jerry Edgar.
You were at my house.
I left you a card.
Well, I know the police have been looking for me.
Do you know why?
The missing officer.
Do you know where she is?
I do.
Where?
Well, I'm not going to tell you that. Not until you give me what I want.
And what's that?
Well, you'll have to go through my lawyer.
We found your print on that mask. DNA all over it. We know you stalked the victims from your job as an inspector.
If you want to arrest me for the rapes, but you won't find her.
Is she alive?
For now.
What does that mean?
It means I'm not going to say another word until I speak with my attorney.
그렇게 도과일러가 협상을 하는 사이 정신을 차린 매디.
Can anybody hear me? Hello? Help!
매디는 황량한 사막 한가운데 갇히고 말았습니다.
Whoa, 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 Harry, what the fuck are you doing
That
here?
motherfucker knows where my daughter is.
We don't even know if he's the guy.
It's him.
Let RHD sweat him out.
Fuck this.
Harry?
Don't fuck with me, man.
You shouldn't be here! You know it, I know it! Go home, Harry!
What'd he say?
He claims he knows where she is.
Where?
He lawyered up and stopped talking.
Jesus, tell me she's still alive.
All he said was, for now.
보시의 속은 타들어갑니다.
Time is running out on my daughter's life. I swear, Jerry, if he's done anything to her...
Don't go there, man.
I'm already there, partner. I'm already fucking there. You have no idea what I'm feeling right now.
We'll get her back. Harry, she's gonna be okay. She's strong, she's smart, and he needs her alive and well.
You tell me what I'm supposed to do. You tell me, what the fuck am I supposed to do? Get me in that room, Jerry. He'll tell me where she is.
You know I can't do that.
결국 도가일러와 만날 수 없었던 보시는 곧장 자신의 기술 조력자인 모를 찾아가 메디의 흔적을 찾아 나서는데요.
Doc Waller's kind of a blank slate so far, not even a birth certificate.
Keep digging.
RHG's got his laptop, so I checked the cloud and bingo, we backed it up. God bless the cloud.
Don't you need a password?
Brother, these days you need a password to get past the pearly gates. I used Kali Linux to run a dictionary tag, and lo and behold, I cracked it.
Maps or location searches?
No. Searches for sedatives, including Rohypnol and ketamine.
Must be how you overpowered her.
Specifically, he was looking for a dosage that would knock someone out for 4 to 6 hours.
Assuming you took her by car, that could be anywhere in a 300-mile radius.
It's a star.
No, it's not. It's a tease. He's fucking with us. He wanted us to find it, otherwise he would have wiped that search too.
그런데 이때 의문의 동영상이 송출됩니다.
Invading his cloud account seems to have triggered a video link that's going out to LAPD and the local media. It's labeled Madeline Bosch.
범인은 메디의 동영상을 실시간으로 송출하며 협상을 유리하게 할 생각이었죠.
Signal's got to be coming from somewhere. Find it.
Video feeds hosts on the dark web is untraceable.
There has to be a way.
Maybe NSA could do it, but convincing them is going to take time.
Which we don't have.
그 시각 경찰서에서도 메디의 동영상을 확인합니다.
Where the hell did this video come from?
Doc Waller must have released it.
From a holding cell?
I don't know how, but I can guess why. He's ratcheting up the pressure on the DA to make a deal.
We don't even know that this is live. For all we know, she's dead. This guy's playing us.
She's alive until we know otherwise.
We better hope so.
Harry Bosch, leave me a message.
Harry, call me. I got the lab results from Doc Waller's bathroom.
한편 정신을 차리고 먼저 수갑부터 풀기 시작하는 메디. 그 사이 딸의 영상에 화가 난 보시는 그대로 딸의 신분증을 이용해 경찰서로 들어가는데요.
You're wasting your time. I said I'm not talking to you until I speak to my lawyer.
Where is she? Harry Bosch. I watched you in my house. How you made entry, cleared the rooms, like you were still a detective. That you had no idea that I was right behind you.
But I found you now, shitbird.
I'm the only person who knows where she is. If you kill me, you'll never find her.
Help! Help! This guy's fucking crazy!
Listen to me, motherfucker. You got 2 eyes, 2 chances to tell me the truth. Now where is my daughter?
Fuck you.
Fuck you! Fuck you!
Harry! Let him go. Harry.
Don't!
Harry, you can't help us find her from a jail cell. Harry, you don't want to do this.
But I do.
Harry, think about her.
제리의 설득에 보시는 일단 물러섭니다.
I want my lawyer! Give me my lawyer! He attacked me!
이때 제리는 도가일러의 집에서 나온 감식 결과를 알려주는데요.
That fucker knows. I got your message. Lab reports.
High levels of sodium chloride, salt, along with calcite, gypsum, and borax.
The desert. He took her to the desert.
You gotta go.
사막이라는 단서는 찾아냈지만 메디를 찾아내기에는 아직 부족했습니다.
Can anybody hear me? I'm down here! Please, anyone!
그때 메디는 침착하게 이곳의 위치를 알릴 만한 단서를 생각해 보는데요.
You're a plucky little bitch, huh?
잠시 후 모에게 돌아온 보시는 메디가 무언가를 그렸다는 걸 듣게 됩니다.
Maddie turned away from the camera, did it for about an hour.
Looked to me like she was doing something.
And that's when we saw it.
She scratched something in the wood right beside her head.
EDW.
What do you think she was trying to write?
It's her location. EDW is the airport code for Edwards Air Force Base out toward Joshua Tree and 29 Palms. She must have heard something or seen something. Maybe. Can you get the flight pass to the training missions out of Edwards yesterday?
Oh, that stuff's classified.
Since when has that slowed you down?
I may have a workaround.
Use it. What about my other problem?
This should work.
Get that flight data.
그렇게 점점 희망이 생기던 와중 한 가지 변수가 생기기 시작합니다. 관을 타고 들어와 버린 정갈.
No.
그 시각 챈들러와 함께 움직이고 있던 보시는 모에게서 전화를 받는데요.
It lines up, Harry. Straight over Isaacs, 3 square miles of desert.
She could be anywhere.
A VPN feed would need a power source and a place to send a signal.
Both would be nearby. It's a 5-hour drive. She even has 5 hours.
Leave that to me.
I owe you!
Hey, I'm going with you! You said it yourself. There's 3 square miles of desert out there. Can't do it alone!
결국 챈들러의 도움으로 보시는 헬기를 타고 메디가 있는 사막으로 출발하죠.
Divide and conquer! You go down this way, I'm gonna check these structures down here.
과연 두 사람은 무사히 메디를 찾아낼 수 있을까요?
Maddie! Maddie! Maddie!
Maddie?
그 시각 제리가 다시 도가일러를 만나는데요.
So what are you, good cop?
I'm not here to work you. I mean, what's the point? Most people who end up in here aren't exactly criminal masterminds. You know what I'm saying?
그 사이 챈들러가 수상한 물건을 발견합니다.
Harry!
Yeah?
Come here, come here. Check this out.
Listen, I'm willing to go to prison. Just not as a sex offender.
For straight up kidnapping, you get 8 years max.
That's how I see it.
Of course, if she dies, all that leverage goes out the window.
If that happens, it's on you.
그때 도가일러가 설치한 노트북을 찾아내는 보시.
This must be where the signal's coming from.
Can you get in?
It's locked. Where is she?
I want to give you a hint. You know what an hourglass is? You turn them over and start the clock, and the sand slowly trickles down to the bottom half. That's what they mean by time is running out.
힌트를 이끌어낸 제리는 연기를 하며 자리를 뜹니다.
Jerry?
Harry, this guy's bedbug crazy. I think he's got Maddie underground.
Why?
He said he made sure she has enough air. And then he started talking about sand in an hourglass.
Sand?
I tracked her to Isaacs. Maybe he buried her here.
제리의 말에 메디가 근처에 있단 걸 확신한 보시. 보시는 높은 곳에서 메디를 찾을 만한 단서를 살펴봅니다. 바로 그때
Hello? Hello, can you hear me? Yeah, we think we have her. Come back.
한시라도 빨리 메디를 꺼내려는 보시.
Maddie! I'm here! Can you hear me? Maddie!
그렇게 보시는 겨우 메디를 찾아 꺼낼 수 있었는데요.
I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you.
모두의 도움 속에 메디는 병원에서 안정을 찾기 시작하죠.
How is she?
She's dehydrated. We've got her on a drip. She'll be fine.
며칠 뒤 충분히 안정을 취한 메디는 퇴원을 하는데요.
As long as you like. No pressure.
Coltrane. Hi, buddy. Someone's excited to see you. It's good to have you home, Maddie. Thanks, Sam.
이렇게 보시와 메디는 다시 일상으로 돌아갈 수 있었습니다. 그리고 늦은 밤 어느 가정집.
My shift. I gotta go.
Just 2 ships that pass in the night.
Right here, 7 a.m.
그렇게 아내에게 인사를 한 뒤 남편은 일터로 떠나는데요.
Lex?
하지만 다음 날 사건이 벌어지고 맙니다. 그리고 4개월 뒤
David Foster, come with us.
You're under arrest for the murder of Lexi Parks.
David, what's going on?
I don't know. It's a mistake.
You have the right to remain silent.
용의자로 포스터라는 남자가 체포되고 그는 자신의 변호인으로 챈들러를 지목하는데요.
The name David Foster mean anything to you?
I had a client, David Foster, years ago, if we're talking about the same guy.
His wife called. He's been arrested and wants you to defend him.
What's the charge?
Murder. Matthew has her number.
I'll call her.
챈들러는 포스터와 만납니다.
Say they have evidence.
Lexi Parks, Assistant City Manager, West Hollywood. Her husband, an LASD deputy sheriff, came home after working the graveyard shift and found her bludgeoned to death.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Are they sure it wasn't him? Nearest and dearest?
No, his alibi is bulletproof. David, do you have an alibi for that night?
Who remembers what they were doing 4 months ago? I mean, what day of the week are we talking about?
Friday.
Friday. I was with Luis. It must have been. That's our date night.
You remember where?
Home.
Okay, I'll need to talk to her.
She'll vouch for me.
Oh, I'm sure she will. Anyone else?
일단 재판에서 불리할 것을 알았기에 연기 신청을 하는 챈들러.
Mr. Foster, do you waive your right to arraignment and plea until a later date?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
We'll schedule the hearing for 30 days from today. We'll see you all at the next date.
Have you talked to Luis yet?
It's next on my list. Hold fast, David. Stay strong.
하지만 불리한 증거가 나왔다는 소식이 전해집니다.
So what's your timeline on discovery?
End of the day.
Oh, thank you, Brad.
Just heads up.
Oh, I hate it when prosecutors say heads up. Usually means they're about to chop off yours.
DNA analysis connects your client to the victim.
I don't see how that's possible.
Found on and in the body.
혼자서는 안 되겠다 싶어 챈들러는 보시를 만나 포스터 사건을 맡아달라 부탁하죠.
I'll have to put you on a case.
What is the case?
Lexi Parks. I have the files in my car. If it makes you feel any better, I happen to believe our client, David Foster, is innocent.
Of course you do.
다음 날 피해자 렉시 파커스에 대해 조사하던 보시. 그때 뭔가 석연치 않은 느낌에 보시는 현장으로 향하는데요.
You thinking of buying?
Maybe.
It's quite a story.
Yeah, how's that?
Wife was murdered in the house, if you can believe it, by an intruder while her husband was at work.
It's terrible.
As soon as the crime scene tape came down, the for sale sign went up.
Alarm went off?
It wasn't said. You'd think, him being in law enforcement and all,
Well,
but
people get careless, right? How about the dog? Did it bark?
they didn't have a dog.
No dog.
Never did, just the sign.
Maybe the bad guy knew there wasn't a dog.
그 시각 챈들러는 포스터의 아내를 만나 그의 알리바이를 확인해 봅니다.
I need to know the truth. Where was he that night?
I don't know.
You have any idea?
I do, and I don't.
I can't believe she gave me up.
She cares about you, David. She's not stupid. She knows you're using again. So you want to tell me where you were and with whom?
A friend,
Friend have a name?
James Allen.
He's your alibi. Why didn't you tell me that from the start?
I'm sorry.
Apology not accepted.
I was hoping to keep it a secret.
I thought you were clean.
I was. I ran into this old friend. We did some lines, and one thing led to another, and I thought I could keep it under control.
This old friend. Same guy?
James Allen.
I'll need his number. What does he do?
He's my dealer.
그렇게 포스터 사건의 새로운 실마리가 생기는 사이 어느 모텔에서 사랑을 나누던 남녀.
Get that, will you? Ordered us a little something from DoorDash.
하지만 이것은 남자의 약점을 잡기 위한 함정이었죠.
Who the fuck are you? Ash? Ash!
Oh, she ain't coming, lover.
We got you on video.
As soon as we clean up the picture, enhance the sound, Carrie, we'll be able to stream that bad boy direct to your widescreen.
That's your wife's name, right, Carrie? Or is that the daughter? Kelly, Carrie, Kelly. I get it mixed up.
Please. I made a mistake.
Save it.
What do you want?
What the fuck do you think we want?
How much?
의문의 남자들이 협박을 하는 사이 사건을 살펴보던 보시에게 메디가 돌아옵니다.
Hey, how was your day?
It was okay. What are you looking at?
Crime scene photos.
The case you're working on with Chandler?
Lexi Parks.
Oh, I thought you swore off.
Working with Chandler? I did.
Show me.
Mads, you don't want to look at these. They're brutal.
I'm a cop, not a delicate flower. I want to see what you're working on.
Okay.
You're right. They're disturbing. You think you knew her?
Don't know yet. It's high on my list. What was the point of contact between the killer and the victim?
Where did they cross paths?
Exactly. If I can answer that, I'm halfway there.
Was she raped?
Yes, she was.
I was lucky.
Don't minimize your ordeal.
I don't. Believe me. What happened to me was awful, but could have been so much worse.
Doc Weiler's sentencing is coming up.
Yeah, I know.
Have you given any more thought to your victim impact statement?
Kinda. Little.
If you like, I can help you with it.
Thanks. I'll let you know. I'm tired. I'm just gonna head to bed.
Sure. Night.
곧 있을 도가일러의 선고일에 메디의 마음은 복잡하기만 합니다.
The city of West Hollywood prioritizes public safety first and foremost, without sacrificing tolerance.
다음 날 보시는 피해자 렉시 파커스의 동영상을 찾아보며 그녀의 직장 동료에 대해 알게 되는데요.
Vibrant.
What was Lexi like to work with?
She got shit done.
Does she have any enemies?
Just the usual disgruntled constituents. Nothing she worried about. Nothing worth killing her over.
별다른 단서를 찾지 못한 보시는 이번엔 포스터에게 약을 팔았다던 제임스를 찾아가죠.
Hello. Sorry to bother you. I'm looking for James Allen.
Who are you?
My name's Harry Bosch. I'm a private investigator. You're Miss...
Alan, his sister.
Well, I just want to ask him a few questions. Is he around?
James is dead.
Oh, no. I'm so sorry. When did this happen?
A couple of days ago, I guess. 2 detectives came by the house last night. They said his body was found in an alley in Hollywood. They didn't know exactly how long he'd been there.
These 2 detectives, did they leave you a card?
I have it inside. 1 minute.
Thank you.
제임스가 죽었다는 말에 보시는 사건을 담당했던 형사들을 찾아가 얘기를 듣습니다.
So this case you're working,
Alexi Parks murder. We're representing the accused, David Foster.
What's your client got to do with our Vic?
Your Vic, James Allen, it's my guy's alibi. According to Foster, they were together the night Lexi Parks was murdered. Allen's sister seems to be under the impression that her brother died from a drug overdose.
We may have given her that impression.
that was before the autopsy.
Ligature strangulation with a wire.
Might be connected to an earlier murder we're also working. Another male prostitute dumped in an alley. Same MO, could be a serial.
I think we buried the lead. So, James Allen was a prostitute?
Sex worker, male escort. Number of priors for solicitation.
Did you find his phone?
No, unfortunately.
Well, that's his client list, right? His calendar?
We know.
Okay, young blood. You let me know if you find it.
제임스가 죽었다는 사실과 남자 매춘부였다는 단서를 찾은 보시는 이 사실을 챈들러에게 전해주는데
What we do know for a fact is David Foster, our client, is a liar.
A man with a secret life who wanted it kept secret.
Sounds like the first line in your opening.
A liar, an adulterer, an addict, not a murderer.
Can't wait to meet him.
No, tomorrow. Attorney-client visit with an investigator in tow.
Fine.
그런데 이때 의문의 남자가 2 사람을 감시하고 있습니다.
Lawyer's in the dining room having drinks with some guy.
Who?
Seems like a cop to me. That's him. Guy that she was with.
Yeah, I'm gonna go take a closer look.
그렇게 남자는 보시를 직접 눈으로 확인하기 시작하는데요.
Blue Jeep Cherokee.
Classic.
That's a shit box.
It's a collector's item.
You're so enamored, you take the shit box, I'll stay with the lawyer.
도대체 이 2 남자의 정체는 무엇인 걸까요?
Scotch neat. What do you got?
His name's Hieronymus Bosch. What kind of name is that? That Dutch?
Where you now?
On my way back. Still got eyes on her?
Yeah, she just called for the check. I'm waiting outside.
잠시 후 감시를 마치고 합류하는 2 남자.
Shit. Go, 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 go.
Where is she?
Black Mercedes.
I see her. I see her. I see her.
이들은 어째선지 챈들러를 쫓기 시작하는데요.
911, what's your emergency?
Yes, ma'am. There's a woman driving drunk, swerving all over the road, and I'm afraid she's gonna kill somebody.
What's your location, sir?
South on Gower, approaching Melrose.
One moment, sir.
이때 챈들러도 자신을 따라오는 차량을 의식합니다.
Hollywood unit to 6 out of 67. Citizen is following possible DUI driver southbound on Larchmont. Vehicle described as a black Mercedes.
알고 보니 두 남자의 정체는 부패 경찰인 앨리스와 롱이었죠.
What is this about?
Ma'am, I need you to step over to the side.
See your driver's license and registration.
They're in the car.
Doors are locked.
Do you have the keys?
I'm not answering any further questions until you tell me what's going on.
A citizen reported you weaving all over the road, and you appear to be under the influence.
I wasn't weaving. That's ridiculous.
You willing to undergo a field sobriety test?
Blow into a balloon?
That's what you want to call it.
Well, I'm not drunk. I am not impaired.
So are you refusing the field sobriety test?
Absolutely. I absolutely am.
Well, then you understand we're obligated to take you into custody.
For an unwarranted stop.
Ma'am, please put your hands behind your back.
You've got to be fucking kidding me.
Taking your purse.
결국 챈들러는 출동한 다른 경찰들에게 인계되고 맙니다. 그렇게 챈들러가 잡혀가자 앨리스가 차 안을 뒤져봅니다.
Got it. Bingo.
앨리스가 무언가를 찾아낸 사이 보시는 변호사와 함께 포스터를 만나고 있었는데요.
Who is this? It's Harry Bosch. He's the investigator working your case.
Something I want to show you. Know who this is?
Bugsy Parks.
That's right. Murdered. And then raped post-mortem. Your friend, James Allen?
Did he back my alibi?
He can't help you anymore. James Allen is dead.
What?
Strangled. His body was dumped in an alley in Hollywood. You lied to your wife, you lied to your attorney. Lie to me, and I will walk. Understood?
I told you everything.
Okay. Fuck this.
보시가 포스터를 등지고 돌아서던 그때
Just wait. Wait. He wasn't just my dealer. We were involved.
How long?
6 months. You should have told us that, David. Right from the start.
Let's blow up the little life that I have left. I can't lose my family.
그렇게 보시는 포스터로부터 놀라운 사실을 듣게 되죠.
How much did you have to drink?
One more glass after you left. I had to go with Foster.
He was with Alan that night. Doing more than drugs.
One night stand?
Last 6 months.
And where were they that night?
Motel on Santa Monica. Alan worked out of a room there.
Ray lied to me. Again.
Everybody counts. Even David Foster.
So now you believe him?
Getting there.
잠시 후 챈들러와 함께 차를 찾으러 온 보시.
Here you go.
How did you get this key?
Vehicle was OOA. Open on arrival.
No, the car was locked.
If you'd like to make a complaint, I can get you the paperwork.
Just show me where my car is.
찝찝한 마음으로 챈들러는 자신의 차를 확인하는데요.
Everything in order?
I thought I had the Foster file in front, and now it's second to the last.
You did have too much to drink.
Fuck you. And I know I locked the car with my spare key.
그렇게 두 사람은 누군가가 사건에 개입하고 있다는 걸 느끼기 시작하죠. 한편 롱은 앨리스의 지시로 보시의 차에 GPS를 설치하고 다음날 보시는 렉시의 사진에서 특이점을 발견합니다.
What makes you think the lady wore a watch?
Two things. High-end watch case, tan line on her left wrist.
Whoa, that's deep, man. That's some serious Sherlock shit. Word.
There's nothing about a watch in Lexi Park's murder book. Nothing on the property receipt. No sign of it at the scene.
Maybe the killer took it.
Why take the watch, but leave the ring?
사진에서 위화감을 느낀 보시는 집을 산다는 명목으로 다시 렉시의 집을 조사하기로 하죠.
Renovated 3 years ago, top to bottom. Guest bedroom, second bathroom.
Fresh paint job?
The owner thought this room needed a complete makeover.
That's where it happened.
I'm sorry to say.
You wouldn't happen to have a tape measure? I've got some larger pieces. I just want to make sure they'll fit.
Of course. I'll be right back.
Great, thank you.
여자가 자리를 비운 사이 보시는 시계에 대한 단서를 찾아보기 시작합니다.
I'm so sorry, Mr. Bosch. I thought I had one.
No, not to worry. I'm just going to put the baby grand in the living room anyway.
하지만 뚜렷한 단서는 찾지 못한 보시는 나가는 길에 렉시의 남편과 만납니다.
You the owner?
That's right.
Sorry to take so long. I hope I didn't inconvenience you.
Save your bullshit, Bosch. I know who you are. What the fuck are you doing at my house?
I was asked to look at certain aspects of the case.
The case? My wife's murder, you mean? Asked by who?
The defense.
You're a disgrace to the badge you used to wear.
Look, I'm sorry. I didn't think you'd be here. I just needed a quick look at the scene. Where's your wife's watch? The one you gave her for Christmas a couple of years ago. Wasn't recovered at the scene.
How do you know?
Discovery. It's not in the murder book.
It's being repaired.
When will you get it back?
None of your fucking business. Why do you want to know?
Just pulling on a loose thread.
Go pull on it somewhere else. You're lucky I don't arrest your ass for trespassing.
I'm sorry for your loss.
Get the fuck out of here.
That went well.
찝찝함을 뒤로 한 채 이번에 보시는 챈들러와 함께 제임스에 대한 조사를 하러 모텔로 향하는데요.
Hi. I'm Harry Bosch, private investigator.
James Allen. Did you know him?
A regular.
How about this man?
David. David was Jimmy's boyfriend. On the down low, you know?
Let me get a look at room 116.
그렇게 제임스가 있던 방으로 향한 이들.
David Foster says he was in this room with James Allen the night Lexi Parks was murdered. How do we corroborate that?
Witness? Piece of video?
It was 4 months ago. What are the chances?
Something hung here before. Picture, poster.
Allen was strangled with a wire. Picture wire?
Could have come from here.
Next up.
Cemetery.
하지만 보시는 단서를 찾지 못했고 결국 CCTV를 확인하러 맞은편 묘지 관리실로 향합니다.
Oscar, right? Let me ask you something. Your cameras, they catch that motel across the way?
Not so much. But we got to deal with Paramount. They have a camera up on the water tower.
Takes in the whole cemetery?
And then some.
We just need the entrance to the motel.
It gets that.
이렇게 보시는 사건 당일 CCTV를 확보해 돌아갈 수 있었습니다. 한편 부패 경찰 앨리스와 롱은 아지트로 향하는데요.
Place is a pigsty.
The girl didn't show up yesterday.
God forbid you clean it yourself.
Well, you want me to go look for today's catch?
Yeah, go find us a nice fat pigeon.
이들은 남자들을 협박해 수입을 챙기고 있었죠.
Jackpot.
그 시각 CCTV 영상을 분석하고 있는 보시.
Is that the motel?
An entrance to the motel lot right here.
Sheriff's impounded Foster's white Ford Econoline van.
Well, David told me he left home around 9:30 that night.
9:47, there's his van.
Well, how can you be sure?
The lights. Econoline.
Okay, good.
How long was your boy at the motel?
2 hours, give or take.
Boom shakalaka. Returning to from whence it came.
11:39.
Foster leaves his house, heads west to the motel. Stays a couple hours, heads east back home. Never even got within miles of West Hollywood or Lexi Parks.
It's not definitive.
It is for me.
We can't confirm it's his van, Harry. The quality's too grainy to make out the driver or the plate.
Oh, leave it to a lawyer to poke holes in a life raft.
Don't get me wrong, this is good. But we need better.
이제 화면은 어느 시기에 가게를 비춥니다.
You look tense, bro. Yeah, well, working with these fucking guys makes me tense. Never sure you got in bed with these motherless fucks.
그런데 이때 앨리스가 가게를 찾아오고
We're closed, man.
It was a good week.
Come by tomorrow.
Well, I had in mind to do it now.
Can't.
Because?
Safe's locked. Timer. Can't get into it till tomorrow morning.
알고 보니 이곳에선 작물을 취급하고 있었고 앨리스는 단골 손님 중 한 명이었죠.
Speak of the devil. What did he want? Write it up.
다음 날 보시는 챈들러의 말대로 더 확실한 증거를 찾기 위해 제임스 사건을 맡은 형사들을 찾습니다.
We've only got a few minutes.
Thanks for letting me have a look. I saw James Allen's record.
7 years of arrest until 3 years ago, when they stopped cold.
What's your guess?
I doubt he retired.
Snitch?
No backup documentation we could find, but
There wouldn't be, necessarily.
So I had a guardian angel to keep the bracelets off. Did you get the names of the cops who did the last few arrests?
We got the booking numbers, just waiting on the reports.
When you find out, let me know, yeah?
Of course.
That's where he was dumped.
Off Vine and Eleanor.
No abrasions, no trauma to the hands, no broken fingernails. Any sign of binding?
None.
So Allen didn't fight the wire.
그리고 이때
Grok the industrial-sized condo container.
still in the game.
Let me check the room. It was stripped bare.
Someone cleaned out his things after he died.
Maybe his guardian angel. Thanks.
그렇게 보시는 누군가 제임스의 뒤를 봐주고 있었고 다량의 콘돔 보관함도 갖고 있었던 걸 알게 되죠. 그날 밤 제임스가 발견된 현장으로 향하는 보시. 보시는 탐문을 해보기로 합니다.
Private detective. Hola. ¿Habla usted inglés?
Poquito.
The murder in the alley a couple weeks ago.
Ricardo, my grandson. He's sick.
You police?
No, private detective. I'm working the murder in the alley. Do you see anything that night?
I was in bed. I heard them dump the body.
What's that sound like?
Car doors open and close. Then the trunk slammed shut. And then doors again.
2 doors.
It was a bam, bam.
You remember what time that was?
Late. Next morning, the police was in the alley.
Did you hear anything else?
Just the engine. It was loud. Rumbly, like a lowrider.
Allen's body was moved from the motel to the alley without abrasions, which means he was lifted, not dragged. No trauma to the hands or fingernails.
So he was unconscious when he was strangled.
Had to be. Otherwise, there'd be signs of a struggle.
Huh. 2 sets of hands to lift the body into the trunk.
A witness heard a trunk slam and 2 car doors close the night the body was dumped.
I like that. 2 killers.
Murdered Lexi Parks and framed David Foster. One last thing. Have your DNA analyst check for CTE.
What are you thinking?
Well, it's a long shot, but we have to explain how our client's DNA was at the crime scene.
보시의 말을 들은 챈들러는 조금은 희망이 생겼다며 포스터를 만나 얘기를 나누는데요.
You told us the DNA at the crime scene is almost impossible to overcome.
David, I only need one juror to believe you're innocent to hang the case and get a mistrial. I can do that.
And what if you can't?
Come on. David, have a little faith.
It's the longest of long shots, but we think there's a way to explain the DNA. And we're developing an alternative theory of the crime, that there were two killers.
You have evidence?
We're working on it.
So not yet.
If you take the deal, you'll always be the guy who pled guilty. Your friends, your family, in the back of their minds, well, they always wonder.
About what?
If you did it.
평생 의심받으며 살 거라는 말에 포스터는 흔들립니다.
Okay.
그날 밤 챈들러는 곧바로 보시와 제임스가 자주 가던 가게에서 정보를 듣기로 하는데요.
How well did you know James Allen?
He was a regular. We were tight.
Did you see him the night that he was killed?
He was here. Had a couple of drinks, hooked up with a guy.
A guy like the John?
A client. That was his gig. No judgment.
None at all. Had you seen his client in here before?
Matt?
Oh, that's his name, Matt?
He comes in most nights.
What did you do when you heard he was dead?
Went to his motel room, packed up his stuff for his family.
Did you give it to them?
Not yet. Keep putting it off, you know? Like he's still alive as long as I don't give it to them.
I get that. What about Matt?
Should be here later.
Why don't you hang on to his stuff a little longer, okay? I'll stick around and see if this guy shows up.
잠시 후 보시가 맥과 만납니다.
He said he had a spot nearby. Motel. We went there. We just walked in the door when someone came for him.
What do you mean?
He heard a car revving its engine, went to the window, saw who it was, said he'd be right back, but he didn't.
Didn't come back. Did you see the car?
Just heard it. Waited a few minutes, but I didn't want to be part of any drama. Angry ex, cops, who knows? I got out of there.
Loud car.
You know, muscle car.
그 시각 먼저 집에서 쉬던 챈들러에게 메디가 찾아오는데요.
Can I get you a cup of tea or a glass of wine or anything?
Oh, I'm fine.
Well, if you're fine, then what brings you to my doorstep at this hour?
Dockweiler's sentencing is tomorrow. I'm supposed to be giving my fucking statement, but I don't think that I can go through with it.
Honey, after everything you've survived, of course you can. Question is, do you want to?
I'm not sure what I want anymore. Got any wisdom to lay on me?
There's no easy answer here. Nothing's going to miraculously fix what you're going through. I know you're under a lot of pressure. But at the end of the day, you should only make this statement if you truly feel it's the best thing for you.
그렇게 챈들러의 조언을 뒤로한 채 다음 날 도가일러의 선고일이 됩니다.
At this time, Your Honor, Officer Madeline Bosch would like to make her victim impact statement.
복잡한 마음으로 메디는 진술을 하기 위해 발언대에 서는데요.
I've been in denial. Telling myself that I wasn't a victim. Not like his other victims. The ones that he raped. He's a rapist. Let's call him what he really is. He entered my home. He broke in, hid in my closet, and waited for me to come home. Hiding behind a mask, he attacked me. He used a sedative to knock me out. He put me in a body bag. and drove me to the middle of the desert where no one could hear my screams. I nearly died. It was a miracle I didn't. I don't sleep. I'm jumpy, paranoid. I relive the attack in my dreams and in my daydreams. My family and friends have suffered, and I thank God for them standing by me. What you did to us isn't who we are. It's just something evil that happened to us. It's bad luck. But what you did to us is who you are. You're scum. A coward, a serial rapist, and everybody knows it. You deserve every bad thing that's gonna happen to you in prison. For the rest of your life.
결연한 표정으로 도가일러의 심판을 호소하는 메디.
Proud of you, Mads.
Thanks.
그리고 그날 밤
Lexi Parks made a lot of phone calls.
Yeah, why do you think I pawned it off on you? You find anything?
4 days before her murder, Parks called the Feldmar Service Center. 14 minutes later, she called wanted by a watch.
That's where Herrick bought the watch.
4 hours after that, Parks received a call back from the service center. Why are these calls marked NS?
Not suspicious. Sheriffs came to that conclusion. So, watch never made it to their radar.
And you agree these are NS?
Well, I go to the store, decide for myself.
곧바로 보시는 작물을 취급하던 시계 가게로 향하는데요.
How can I help you? I was in here some time ago. Saw a lady's watch, an Audemars Piguet Royal Oak.
We had one, an estate sale. We sold it. Are you a collector?
I have a friend, Vincent Herrick. He bought that watch for his wife.
We're not at liberty to discuss our clients, sir.
Is there a watch here I can show you?
Who died?
Sorry.
Well, to have an estate sale, somebody's got to die, right?
People sell their collections for a number of reasons.
Peter and Paul Wynn. Which one are you?
May I ask why you need to know?
Conducting an investigation.
You have a badge?
I don't need to show a badge to ask a few simple questions if you're willing to cooperate.
I'm Peter Wynn. What's this about?
It's about a murder. This woman ever come into your store?
Many people come into the store every day.
Her name is Lexi Parks. Married to Vincent Herrick. He bought a watch for her, from you. 4 days before she was killed, she called here wanting to get it repaired.
Now I remember. My brother took that call. We don't do repairs here, so he told her to contact Feldmar Watch Company.
Her phone records show that she called here after she called the repair center.
I don't know who she called before or after she called us.
Where's your brother? I need to talk to him about this.
He's on vacation.
For how long?
Till he gets back. I have no further information for you. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a customer.
Have your brother call me. It's important.
잠시 후 가게 밖으로 나오는 보시를 앨리스와 롱이 지켜보고 있습니다.
This fucking guy's getting too close. What should we do? It's gonna come to a point where we don't have a choice.
Maybe, but we're not there yet. My. Look who's late for work.
Together again.
A guy just came in here asking about the watch.
What guy?
바로 그때
Tell me everything you said to Harry Bosch and say goodbye to your brother.
He asked about the watch, about that Parks woman calling the shop. I said that she called to get the watch repaired. That's everything, I swear.
Peter, I believe you.
앨리스와 롱은 두 사람을 죽이고 순식간에 물건들을 훔쳐 달아나고 말죠. 하지만 뒤늦게 불안해진 두 사람.
Something on your mind?
I know we're not there yet.
That's right, we're not.
He's asking about the fucking watch.
He's an ex-cop.
He's a geezer. He's over the fucking hill.
Requires a certain amount of finesse, okay? I'm working on it.
Okay. About fucking time.
이때 롱은 어떤 메시지를 받고 지정된 장소로 움직이기 시작합니다. 알고 보니 롱이 찾은 곳은 매춘을 하고 있는 여성들의 집이었는데요.
What do you like, handsome?
I want an hour.
200.
This better be extra special.
Extra special. You'll see. Lie down. Be right back.
Be quick.
잠시 후 여성이 어딘가로 향하자 그 광경을 찍고 있는 앨리스.
Gotcha.
한편 보시는 렉시가 시계 수리를 맡겼던 수리점으로 향합니다.
Can I help you, sir?
Yeah. I have some questions about a watch that was sent here for repair.
Are you the owner?
No. Private investigator.
May I ask what this is about?
Murder investigation. Lexi Parks.
Let's talk in my office. There was an ownership issue. The watch was still registered to the original buyer.
Can you give me a name?
I'm sorry.
But your information might make the difference. Stays between us.
Dr. Schubert bought the watch from us a few years ago. When Lexi's husband brought it in for repair, I called George to verify the resale. Spoke to his wife. She told me the watch had been stolen along with the rest of her jewelry. Every last pearl.
A burglary?
So she said. Then I got the real story from Dr. Schubert.
Let me guess. He took her jewelry to pay off a loan he didn't want his wife to know about and collect the insurance.
Gambling debts. Begged me not to call the police. Said she'd divorce him.
Did he say where he sold the watch?
I didn't ask.
Want to buy a watch?
Excuse me?
That's where the doctor sold it. And Lexi's husband bought it. I'll need the doctor's number.
그렇게 시계의 원래 주인이었던 박사의 정보를 알아낸 보시에게 갑자기 한 통의 전화가 걸려오는데요.
Bosch?
Detective Duran, Sheriff's Department. We spoke at your office.
Yeah, what can I do for you?
Need you to come in and talk to us.
It's about the Parks murder?
Double homicide yesterday in West Hollywood. Two brothers. Want to buy a watch. You know it?
You know I do. You found my business card.
Expect you within the hour.
What fresh hell is this?
I need a lawyer.
보시는 자신이 의심받고 있다는 걸 직감해 챈들러를 불러 같이 경찰서로 향합니다.
How is this double homicide related to the Parks case?
By this.
I gave it to Peter Wynn yesterday in the store. When was that? You already know that from the store video.
System was disabled.
Take a guess. Around 10. When did this go down?
Shopkeeper next door saw two men exit the back about 10:20, give or take. She called the cops.
And the shopkeeper idea?
They were wearing ski masks.
We're canvassing for video, but so far nothing. What were you doing there, Bosch?
What was taken?
Answer my question first.
Was it a robbery or an execution?
Robbery. Or staged to look like one. Smash and grab, they cleaned out a couple of cases.
Our turn. Why were you there?
Let me remind everyone Mr. Bosch is in my employ. The protection of confidentiality that my client enjoys also extends to him.
So much for that two-way street.
Sorry, I can't talk about the case without my attorney's approval.
And that is not happening.
You gotta be shitting me. The victims deserve better, and you know that, Bosch.
I'll tell you what I do know. I do not know who killed the Wynn brothers.
Harry, please.
I went there to talk to them about a watch they sold to your colleague, Vincent Herrick.
Enough. The interview is over. Let's go.
결국 챈들러의 만류에 보시는 그대로 물러나죠.
Why'd you shut that down?
You were starting to get chatty. We have a client to protect.
Right after I leave, that store gets hit. Maybe I led them there.
Well, now who's paranoid?
The killers followed me. They may be on you, too. You still carry a gun, right?
Yeah.
Good.
Look, I'll have Mo check my car. But Harry, it's not your fault.
Well, we don't know that yet. I'll be in touch. Keep your head on a swivel, yeah?
그렇게 보시가 미행을 의심하는 사이 경찰서로 향한 앨리스.
Once we got a gist of the operation, we split.
So you didn't actually get the prostitution violation?
Wire me up, Coach. I'll get her to say what it's for.
Be sure to notify DHS. Trafficking, it's their caper.
If they're hitting a multi-location search warrant, we'd like to take this one down ourselves.
You'll need some assistance.
알고 보니 이것은 메디와 같이 수사를 진행하며 보시의 수사 상황을 캐보려는 앨리스의 계획이었죠.
Where'd you find this?
On my office bookshelf.
Dentist appointment, call back so-and-so.
Sorry. Thought it might help. What'd you hope to find?
Evidence that Lexi knew the Wynn brothers were fencing stolen property.
I think I would have known. She would have started a consumer fraud report.
Maybe she never got the chance.
한편 보시는 렉시의 USB에서 녹음 파일을 발견합니다.
What's this?
Miss Parks, there's no need for an audit. My husband's in law enforcement. I could lose my job. We would never buy stolen property. The watch was purchased legitimately in an estate sale. We have the records. I want to see them.
녹음 파일에는 시계가게 주인들의 약점이 잡힌 목소리가 담겨 있었죠.
We'll need coppers on the perimeter with experience hitting doors. I want one unit 2 blocks east and another one 2 blocks west. Bosch. Maybe she can roll with me. I can use her on comms. She up for that?
Always. She's a gamer.
Let's go catch some bad guys.
그 시각 앨리스는 대대적인 단속을 진행하는 척하며 메디와 있을 자리를 만드는데요.
Tell your units UC's out.
OP, be advised our UC is on foot.
He's approaching the location. UC has reached target location.
Let's see what we get.
What does this give me?
What do you want?
There it is. Hey, we got it. I'll text you the exact words.
수사가 잘 진행되자 앨리스는 눈치를 보며 메디에게 말을 건넵니다.
You know, a fucking tragic thing. After everything these girls have been through, none of them will want to turn on their pimps. She'd have to testify against her captors.
Been on the job a while?
A lot of change. Most young people these days, it's just a gig, you know.
You sound like my father.
Well, I didn't want to mention him. I'm sure you catch enough shit.
You know him?
By reputation. Hell of a career.
Is this the part where you say he's thrown it all away to work for the dark side?
Hey, no judgment.
No?
메디의 환심을 사기 위해 보시를 칭찬하는 앨리스.
He thinks it might be connected to a couple of other homicides.
No shit. Suspects?
A witness saw 2 men in masks leaving the scene of one of the murders.
아직 자신이 들키지 않았다는 거란 앨리스는 그대로 단속을 진행합니다.
LAPD, we have a search warrant. Open up. On your knees, now. Hands up.
Took you long enough? Help me with these young ladies?
It's for the bottom.
We're booking her too?
We don't know her involvement in this yet.
한편 보시는 자신의 차를 조사해 보는데요.
I might have been fouled yesterday.
Clock anything?
That's the point. I wouldn't. Still don't know what we're up against.
이때 모가 GPS를 찾아내죠.
Pop the batteries?
No. Put it back. Let them think they know where I am.
그 시각 단속은 성공적으로 끝났는데요.
Hey, good work today.
Happy to assist. It was educational.
Till next time.
이렇게 앨리스가 뻔뻔하게 모두를 속인 사이 보시는 챈들러를 통해 용의자로 의심되는 이들을 발견합니다.
These are the assholes who pulled me over.
This one was in the parking lot at Musso. They were scoping you out.
I knew someone got into my files. They set me up.
They arrested James Allen several times. They were using him as a CI. And I've got that witness who heard 2 car doors close the night Allen's body was dumped. The watch is the key to all of this.
How so?
Miss Parks, There's no need for an audit.
My husband's in law enforcement. I could lose my job. We would never buy stolen property.
그 시각 밖에서 대기하고 있던 앨리스와 롱.
I'll be in touch about a time to see those records. Deny my request, and I'll open an official investigation into your business.
You really think those records exist?
결국 보시와 모는 시계 가게로 가 남아있을 어떤 기록이란 걸 찾아보기로 합니다. 이때 수상한 곳을 발견하는 보시.
Mo.
Can you open this?
Let me at it.
This type of safe has a major security flaw. Almost no protection of the internal reset button. Now we reprogram it.
Candy from a baby.
Go money.
And this?
Could be the rainy day insurance policy. We'll watch it back at my place.
Who the hell sells a DVD player?
I still have an 8-track.
Why the fuck are they here?
There's nothing they can trace back to us.
And you really want to take that chance?
잠시 후 보시는 사건들의 공통점이 모두 2인조를 가리키고 있다는 걸 눈치채는데요.
Two bottom of the...
You seeing a pattern?
Two connected murders. Lexi Parks and James Allen, then the Wynn brothers. Two killers at the watch store. Maybe the same two who dumped Allen's body.
Two car doors slamming in the alley.
The two vice cops that pulled Chandler over. Same two who were using Allen as an informant.
This is all wild.
I miss Vin Scully.
그 시각 보시를 미행하던 앨리스는 무언가를 결심합니다.
Let's go. Let's get the fuck out of here.
며칠 뒤 다행히도 목숨을 건진 보시와 모.
Hey.
How come I'm hooked up to an IV and you're free to go?
Because you have a concussion. I want to keep you a few more hours for observation. Remember anything?
No headlights. Loud like a Harley.
Muscle car.
I swear I heard it accelerate just before it hit us.
No accident.
I could have been killed.
No, I think that was the general idea.
Silver.
You saw it?
In the rear view. I'd like to point out, by the way, my EV saved us. No fireball.
Yeah, that only happens in the movies.
You sure?
Yeah. Sorry to burst your bubble, pal. You just rest now.
곧바로 태어난 보시는 제일 먼저 차량에 부착된 GPS를 떼내죠. 잠시 후 보시는 시계 가게에서 찾은 DVD에서 앨리스와 롱의 약점을 잡는 데 성공하는데요.
Fuck. 15.
This video is their insurance policy in case things went sideways.
I guess they didn't count on getting killed. The John said he heard a muscle car at the motel the night James Allen disappeared.
A silver muscle car.
곧장 보시는 경찰서 근처 카센터로 가 은색 머슬카에 대해 떠보려고 합니다.
Hey, my partner brought in our ride last night. Fender bender, fucked up the front end. Silver muscle, loud as shit.
The Charger.
Yeah. I left my daughter's birthday present under the seat.
So glad I don't have kids.
그렇게 보시는 앨리스에 대한 정보를 하나둘씩 알아내죠.
Wonderful news. Thank you, Brenda. Bosch walked away with just a scratch.
What about the other guy?
Dinged up. Getting out of the hospital sometime today.
We'll deal with him later.
한편 포스터는 감방에서 다른 사람들에게 구타를 당해 병원에 실려오고 말았는데요.
4 or 5 guys, they jumped on me. And they beat me up pretty good.
Did the deputies intervene?
They got the licks in, too.
The guards were in on it.
I'm the guy that murdered the sheriff's wife. Remember? Can you call Louise? Tell her that I'm okay.
Of course.
더 이상 상황이 악화되지 않도록 챈들러는 보시를 찾아가 함께 모든 사건을 정리해 보기로 합니다.
Okay, Dr. George Schubert buys a very high-end watch for his wife and then steals it from her.
Pay off gambling debts.
Ellison Long.
Ellison Long sold the watch to the Winds.
Vince Herrick buys the watch from the Winds for his wife, Lexi Parks. It breaks, she tries to get it fixed.
Finds out it's stolen.
She threatens the Winds with an audit, which would expose the arrangement between them and Ellison Long.
Who can't let that happen?
So they take out Lexi Parks, frame David Foster for the murder.
To do that, they take out James Allen, Foster's alibi.
What about the DNA at the crime scene? On and in the body of Lexi Parks?
We can prove Foster was miles away when Lexi Parks was raped and murdered, but how do we explain his DNA at the scene?
I'm still waiting on that trace analysis.
Fingers crossed.
He's on to us.
How exposed are we?
Well, let's put it this way. I feel a real stiff breeze on my bare ass.
So what then?
Everything must go.
이제 사건은 클라이막스를 향해 움직이기 시작하죠.
Vice.
Yeah, I'm looking for Detective Ellis. He around?
Nah, he's out.
Picked up a prostitute. She had his business card. Just making a courtesy call before I book her.
He and his partner in Long Beach today wrapping up a DHS debrief. You have his cell?
Yeah, I do. Thanks. I'll follow up with him.
보시는 앨리스를 추적하고 있었는데요.
Mo?
2 women. Look like escorts.
How can you tell?
They're with a client. They, put a teddy bear in the window?
Some kind of signal. Otherwise engaged. Keep an eye on them.
On it.
그러면서 보시는 마지막 퍼즐이자 시계의 원래 주인인 슈버트 박사를 찾아갑니다.
Dr. Schubert?
Can I help you?
Harry Bosch. I'm investigating a series of murders. I thought maybe you could help shed some light on them.
What's this about?
Lexi Parks. Yeah. Tough to look at, even for a surgeon. We have reason to believe you and possibly your wife could be in danger. Could I come inside, discuss it privately? Your wife home?
She's in Napa.
경찰인 척하며 박사와 얘기를 나누려는 보시.
Mind if I record this?
Sure, whatever. I really don't know why you think I have anything to do with this.
Yes, you do.
I have a reputation, a practice.
Won't mean much if you're dead, will it? You come clean now. I'll do my best to keep you and your reputation out of this investigation. Ellison Long.
It was one stupid mistake. I crossed the line. I slept with a patient.
When?
A couple years ago, on a house visit. It was a regular patient of mine.
It was a trap.
One thing led to another, and
the whole thing was captured on video, suitable for streaming.
Ellison Long showed up here a couple days later, played me the video. Said if I didn't give him $100,000, they'd send it to my wife, my colleagues, the California Medical Ethics Board.
You still paying them?
$10,000 a month.
이때 슈버트 박사를 입막음하려던 앨리스와 롱이 보시의 차를 발견합니다.
He ain't getting away this time.
This is George Schubert. I need help. I'm at 1110 Sierra Alta Way, West Hollywood. 2 armed men are trying to break into my house.
Sir, please stay on the line.
과연 보시는 살아남을 수 있을까요?
Where are we going?
Give me my phone. Go. Go!
Stay here. Lock the door.
Wait, where are you going?
I've got to find their position.
Aren't you gonna call for backup?
I'm not a cop.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Just be quiet. Lock the fucking door.
긴장된 분위기 속에 사방을 경계하며 나아가는 이들. 바로 그때
Don't shoot! Don't shoot, it's me! Calm down! It's okay. That guy told me he was a cop.
Everything's cool, George, all right?
I swear, I didn't tell him anything.
I believe you. It's all good, man.
순식간에 롱을 제압한 보시는 앨리스를 도발하기 시작합니다.
You're boxed in, Ellis. Cops are coming. Fuck you, Bosch!
결국 엄청난 속도로 도망치고 마는 앨리스.
Fuck. Call an ambulance. I'm dying.
Yeah, I don't think you're gonna make it. Where's Ellis headed?
Fuck you.
Keep telling yourself that, punk.
One male exiting.
Tired LAPD. I'm unarmed.
Eyes on, move in.
그렇게 보시는 경찰들에게 체포되고 맙니다.
Said if I didn't give him $100,000, they'd send it to my wife.
Fascinating as Dr. Schubert's story is, it's hard to question a dead man.
Bosch could have had a gun to his head.
Seriously? You asked me to let you know I find the actual killer. Now you know. The more time you waste sitting here talking to me, the farther away Ellis gets.
We'll be keeping your firearm until we're done with it.
Do your fucking job.
잠시 후 보시는 챈들러에게 부탁을 건네는데요.
You still have that safe house up in Beechwood Canyon?
I do.
I got a feeling Ellis is looking to tie up loose ends before he gets out of Dodge.
No, it's at your disposal.
And to get Moa address and a key.
Sure. Who's it for?
Ellis and Long got a couple of working girls.
They could testify.
To the extortion scheme, at least.
도망친 앨리스를 잡기에는 정보가 부족했기에 보시는 일단 집에서 한숨을 돌립니다.
How are you feeling about how things went down today?
I won't lose any sleep.
That seems harsh.
Don't waste your empathy, Mads. They don't deserve it.
I know. Still, I can't imagine. I hope I never have to.
I hope that too.
I worked with him a couple of days ago.
What?
Ellis. He arranged to partner with me for some human trafficking takedown.
This motherfucker.
He was just using me to get information about you and the Parks case.
This is not on you, Mads.
You wouldn't lie to me, would you?
No, I wouldn't. But Mads, it's just... There are things I can't tell you.
Yeah, I know.
But no, I would never lie to you.
I know.
I'm sorry all my bullshit seems to land at your feet.
다음날 앨리스는 요트들이 모인 마리나에 숨어 누군가와 만납니다.
I wasn't followed.
Yeah, it's not you that I'm worried about. It's all these yacht rockers out here minding everybody's fucking business but their own. You got the clothes? Joe Stites.
It's a cold name, not like yours.
Yeah, well, I'm happy to never use mine again. Where's my ride?
Waiting for the weekend. More cars going through, less chance of getting stopped. But also the guy wants more money. The hotter you are, the greater the risk. And man, you are hot. You watching the news?
Fuck the news. We had a deal.
I know, and I'm trying to find somebody else at the price point we agreed to. So far, no takers.
Okay, I'll pay his fucking price. Just where do I meet him?
When he's ready, he'll call you on that.
If he doesn't show, You and I are gonna have a real problem.
He'll show.
Good. Get the fuck out of here.
한편 보시와 챈들러는 포스터의 DNA 조사 결과와 증거를 내밀며 검사를 압박하고 있었습니다.
That's a great story. Problem is, you can't prove any of it. It's just theory.
It's not a theory. These are facts. And there are two other witnesses to the extortions carried out by Ellison Long. I should have their affidavits soon.
Witnesses? I suppose you're referring to Deborah Stovall and Josette LaRue? They're suspects in these extortions. They're not witnesses. My office plans to file charges against them by the end of the day.
Ellison Long murdered Lexi Parks.
This is about the election, isn't it? Damage control. You won't free an innocent man because that would mean admitting you charged an innocent man.
It's about justice. We'll see you in court, counselor.
하지만 검사는 기소를 취하하지 않았고 잠시 후 보시에게 모의 전화가 걸려오는데요.
Mo?
Hey, we got mutiny on the bounty over here.
I told you to sit tight.
No, not talking about me, Maestro. I missed my tunes in Digital Ray, but it's the ladies that are talking escape plans.
I'll get Chandler. We'll be there as soon as we can.
곧바로 앨리스에 대한 정보를 얻기 위해 여성들에게 향하는 보시와 챈들러.
Ladies, there has got to be more. It's important that we leave nothing out because when I negotiate your cooperation in exchange for immunity, you'll be required to reveal all illegal activities. If you intentionally leave something out and they find it, they can prosecute you if it's outside the bounds of your immunity agreement.
It's like when you go to confession with a priest. All the sins you tell them about, they get forgiven. The ones you don't tell them about are still there, and they count against you.
이때 한 여성이 앨리스가 은신처로 삼는 곳이 있다며 보트에 대한 정보를 알려주는데요.
Where's the boat?
Marina Del Rey, I think.
Do you still carry your gun?
Yes, in the glove box. Why?
I need to borrow it and your car.
Going to the marina?
Keep going with them.
잠시 후 마리나에 도착해 요트 정보를 물어보는 보시.
The Calamity Jane, anything?
Nothing yet. I'm looking through the deliveries from the main chandlery, but you're wrong. There aren't hundreds of boats, more like thousands.
Keep looking. I'm here.
그 시각 순찰을 돌던 메디는 보시의 애완견 콜트레인을 산책시켜주는 여자를 보곤 수상함을 직감합니다.
Sam! Where's Harry? I don't know. He texted, he said he had to go out and he wanted me to walk Coltrane.
Did he say where you had to go?
No, he just asked me to walk Coltrane.
Does he still let you track a cell?
He's on the west side, on the 90, headed towards the marina.
What's there?
I don't know. Harry? In trouble?
한편 계속해서 앨리스를 찾아보던 보시.
Yeah. Found it. There was a delivery yesterday from the Chandlery to the Calamity Jane. Dock 6, slip 1506. Special instructions were leave delivery on the fantail.
정보를 듣자마자 조심스레 보시가 움직입니다.
So he could be anywhere out there.
Dad, where are you? Call me back. Sir, hold that gate for us, please.
No, we shouldn't split up.
I'm not waiting.
Stay in line of sight.
그렇게 메디도 이곳에 도착하고 보시는 앨리스가 있는 요트에 올라타는데요.
Don't move. I'll take this.
결국 앨리스에게 뒤를 잡힌 보시.
How'd you find me?
Wasn't that hard.
The two bitches, I should have taken care of them when I had the chance.
Who's the guy?
He's leverage, in case I need it.
Let him go. You have me.
That's not gonna happen. You're too dangerous to take along alive.
You're taking this thing to Mexico? You better get going.
Why's that?
Because Crew's been on my tail since you went full-on Dorner at Schubert's house.
That's a nice bluff, boss. Although I wouldn't mind taking your daughter hostage. I hear she goes easy.
Put the scanner on 16. You know that's their channel. You'll hear them closing in.
바로 그때 그렇게 보시는 메디 덕분에 목숨을 건질 수 있었죠.
Hey, man, if you hadn't come along,
Don't worry about it. I'm just glad you're okay.
well, thank you.
Mass.
Dad, are you okay?
I'm fine. Are you all right?
Harry, I gotta keep you two separated. FID protocol. I need to take her weapon and get her to them now.
Okay. You did good, Matt. There was no choice. No choice.
Harry, come on, man.
That's all I wanted to say. Dad, thank you. I don't know how you found me. Thank you.
We can thank Coltrane for that.
이렇게 길고도 길었던 하루가 저물고 있었습니다.
Ellis was holding a gun in his right hand and pointing it at my father. In order to prevent Ellis from injuring or killing my father, I fired 2 rounds. It was not safe to render aid. That's it.
They've recovered Ellis's body. They haven't found the gun yet.
Are you sure about the gun?
He had one. Glock 19, blue steel, semi-automatic pistol.
You did great.
What if they don't find the gun?
They'll find it. This will be a good shoot. The department will want to put this to bed as soon as it can. I'll be in touch. Get some rest.
하지만 이번 일로 메디의 상황이 좋지 않게 되었죠.
So they haven't found his gun yet. Until they do, sort of in a limbo.
Yeah, matter of time. Hell, I can testify he had a gun.
I think they'd like to corroborate that, if they can, with the actual weapon.
How you feeling?
I'm okay.
It's a heavy thing, taking a life.
I took one to save one.
And I thank you for that.
Makes us even. I would do it again in a heartbeat.
I'm serious. Piece of advice. Do not just shrug this off. You know, Mads, this job you do, our job, it requires a strong moral compass, which you've got in spades. But you get pushed into a corner, you have to rely on your training and instincts.
I know that.
And everybody around you, bosses, Vasquez, other cops, are all saying, great job, way to put that fucker down. And you're just left wondering, then why don't I feel great?
So why don't I?
Because of who you are.
You know how I really feel about it?
Tell me.
I'm fucking furious.
With me?
With you. If I hadn't been there...
Okay. I get why you're angry with me.
Do you? Do you really? What'd I do without you? If I lost you, too, do you ever think about that?
All the time.
부녀는 서로의 소중함을 다시금 깨닫습니다.
I'm really beat. I think I'm just gonna... I love you.
I love you too.
한편 사건이 마무리되면서 포스터에 대한 재판도 유리하게 흘러가기 시작합니다.
Of the CTE analysis we submitted to the court make a compelling case for third-party culpability, Your Honor.
And for the record, counsel is referring to condom trace evidence?
That is correct.
Proceed.
Lexi Parks was about to launch an investigation that would have exposed the extortion racket detectives Ellis and Long had been running for years. They killed Parks and framed David Foster for the murder. To pull off the frame, they also needed to eliminate Foster's alibi, James Allen, the man Foster was with the night of the murder.
And where does CTE come in?
Allen and Foster were clandestine lovers. Ellis and Long used Allen, their CI, to collect David Foster's semen in a condom. Ellis and Long murdered Lexi Parks and planted Foster's semen on and in her body.
Your Honor, I've heard some far-fetched defense theories, but seriously?
You'll get your turn, Mr. Landreth. Ms. Chandler.
The DNA sample collected from Parks contained trace evidence of a specific brand of condom found in James Allen's motel room.
Where is this James Allen? Can he testify to any of this?
Murdered, Your Honor, by Ellison Long to keep him from testifying.
I find the evidence sufficient to support the motion. You may argue third-party culpability at trial, Ms. Chandler.
Thank you, Your Honor.
We are adjourned.
승기를 잡은 챈들러.
This is the time, Emmett, to drop these charges. You know my guy's not good for it.
I know no such thing. What's the CTE prove? Foster could have worn that condom during the assault.
There's no evidence that Parks and Foster ever crossed paths.
There's no evidence they didn't, and there's no chance we're dropping these charges.
하지만 검사가 여전히 취하하지 않자 챈들러는 보시를 찾아 마지막 한 방을 부탁합니다.
What we need to do now is prove David Foster is innocent.
We need a confession. From Long.
Well, how are we going to get that? He's not going to talk to either of us.
다음 날 보시는 롱이 입원한 병원을 찾아가는데요.
Make myself useful.
틈을 이용해 보시는 롱이 있는 병실로 들어섭니다.
If I wanted to kill you, you'd be dead already. Keep your voice down.
What do you want?
I'm here to help you.
Fuck you. You shot me.
I had a clear headshot on you, but I didn't take it. You're alive because of me. You heard about Ellis?
What about him?
They got him. He was hiding out in the marina. Twins gave him up. Now he's cutting a deal, and he's laying it all on you.
Bullshit.
This is a transcript. His confession. I told Long to go in and get the watch back. I was lookout. After a while, he came out covered in blood. He'd gone nuts on her with a tire iron. We had to make it look like some kind of a serial sex crime.
Fuck that.
You want to read the rest?
심리전으로 롱을 압박하는 보시.
What the fuck is this? You're not my lawyer.
Yeah. At Schubert's house, I saw what he was capable of. Look, Long, I don't give a shit about you. I don't care if you ever see the light of day again. But he has got to go down for good. And you have to do it.
How?
By telling the truth. You get your lawyer in here, make your own deal before Ellis beats you to it. What happened that night?
Fuck. It was him. He's the one that went psycho.
결국 보시는 롱의 자백을 받아내 녹음한 뒤 검사에게 들려주지만 검사는 여전히 강경한 태도를 취합니다.
No, let it play. There's more.
Doesn't matter.
Why?
Because you're not a cop, Bosch. You can't just go around surreptitiously recording people. 632, this is a dual consent state. Plus his voice is slurred, he's obviously on medication. Your whole charade would be tossed by Long's attorney in 5 minutes flat. I said we're done.
You have about 4 hours to prepare a statement.
What statement?
The statement your office is going to have to release after that tape goes out to every news channel in the city.
Oh, you can't release this. It's illegally obtained.
Well, that might matter in court, but not in the media. They will hear a man confess to a murder that you are prosecuting another man for. I can't wait to see how you're going to try to explain that.
그렇게 최후의 방법을 쓰자 그제서야 검사는 기소를 취하하기로 하죠.
The people are unable to proceed at this time and move to dismiss the case against Mr. Foster.
Ms. Chandler.
The defense joins that motion, and we would like to have the case dismissed with prejudice.
You don't intend to refile, do you?
No, Your Honor.
Your motion to dismiss with prejudice is granted. And your other motion?
Based on new evidence, I think we can all agree that Mr. Foster did not murder Lexi Parks. I want his name cleared for all purposes.
People?
People do not oppose.
Motion for factual innocence granted. On behalf of the justice system, with our deepest apologies, I hope you're able to regain some semblance of a normal life.
이렇게 포스터는 누명을 벗고 드디어 일상으로 돌아갈 수 있었습니다.
I don't know what to say.
Thank you will do.
For everything. Let's get you home.
Take care, you guys.
Thank you.
그 시각 집으로 돌아가던 메디는 한 통의 전화를 받는데요.
This is Madeline Bosch.
Ms. Bosch, Joan Malone from California Department of Corrections. You have a moment?
I do. What's this about?
We're calling in regards to Kurt Dockweiler. He died in custody.
What? How?
They found him in his cell. Overdose.
He got what he deserved.
An overdose?
Probably a hot shot. They held him down, shot him up with heroin, gets written up as an OD or suicide.
Why would they do that?
He was a sexual predator. Everybody knew that.
그렇게 도과일러의 사망 소식이 전해지고 다음 날 챈들러는 인터뷰를 하고 있습니다.
My innocent client, David Foster, spent weeks languishing in county jail falsely accused. Assaulted while in jail. Outside, his good name was smeared by the district attorney. All while the true killers of Lexi Parks went on a wanton murder spree. Is this how we want our so-called justice system to work?
She's pretty fucking pissed.
What happened to Lexi Parks was
How much is she gonna sue for?
Terrible crime.
Seems like this is about something else.
On more than one occasion, the district attorney, Emmett Archer, was made well aware he had accused and jailed an innocent man, a fact finally borne out yesterday in court. That makes him unfit for office. That is why today I announced that I will run for district attorney in the next election.
Fuck me.
Thank you. I'll take questions now.
챈들러의 출마 소식을 듣고 집으로 돌아온 두 사람.
Hey, boy. We'll be back in a few.
Okay, I'll hang here.
보시가 자리를 비우자 보시의 휴대폰으로 전화가 걸려옵니다.
This is a collect call from Wasco State Correctional Facility. To accept this call, press 1. To decline this call, press 2.
이때 메디는 믿기 힘든 소식을 전해 듣게 되죠.
Bosch?
He stepped out.
Who's this?
His daughter.
His daughter? You're the one that got taken.
What do you want?
Just tell your father that I did what he wanted.
What are you talking about?
Dockweiler. Tell him I took care of it.
Who was that?
Preston Borders? Dad, what did you do?
이렇게 보시의 냉정함이 드러나면서 드라마 보시 레거시 시즌2는 막을 내립니다.